Let's see what we got here.
There's something else I need to do, all right? But I need to do it alone. So just wait here. Let's get the fuck off this island. All right, let's get the fuck off this island.
Hey, can you hear me? I heard screams in the lab. Something bad's happening. You gotta drop what you're doing and find out what's going on. God damn it, go! Go!
That's the it.
I thought I was going to die. He took my blood once, then again and again. He wanted to bleed me dry, and when I asked him why, he was surprised. The savage can talk. But I ran away from my village to go to the city, to go to school, so I know a person can only lose so much blood. I locked myself in the cage to get away from him, and when he tried to open it, using that computer, he opened them all. And those things jumped on him and tore him apart. I screamed, but no one came.
Westy's dead? How can that be? He almost had the bloody vaccine. He said he knew everything, that he knew how to make it. Wait. What if he did? Maybe he did make it. Do you hear me? Search the bloody lab. It's gotta be there somewhere. The vaccine. Find it. Otherwise my Emily isn't gonna make it. You have it? Thank God. Now take it and don't bloody lose it. I'm waiting for you on the prison island. Hurry! I unlocked all the doors I could. Not very many, unfortunately. I don't have access to much of the security grid since it's on emergency power. We're running on power, and I don't know how long. If we lose contact, look for me and block. And for the love of God, if you cut the prisoners, don't bloody trust them. I'm responsible for a lot of them being here. So if you bring them to me, they'll kill me, and then you.
Something's moving out there. It's more of those things, bro. I don't think so. Moin? That you, brother? Who you got with you?
You keep up. Quiet, okay? I know how to talk to these mokes. They're okay, brah. They're helping me get past these dead fuckers. Where's Titus at?
Everybody's in that canteen, bro. Safest place here, alright?
There's some bad motherfuckers in here.
Yo, man, you think they've been bitten? What the fuck? Oh, look at the fine ass on that one. Stay back.
Oh, shit, she fine as hell. Probably infected.
What now?
How did you all get here? Are you infected?
Don't you recognize me, bruh?
Maybe I do, maybe no.
You recognize these?
Nice, brother. But what I really need is a couple of those, right?
We got weapons way better than guns. These people are immune, man. They get bit, they don't get infected. Maybe you could help each other out.
How?
We want to get to Block C.
You heard what the lady said. We want to get to Block C.
White? He talked with us too, brother. But somehow, we couldn't help each other. Nothing to trade. You, on the other hand, maybe we can make a deal. All right, I got an idea. Cell A314. Been here longer than you've been alive. Mean son of a bitch. You get him out and bring him here. He'll know what to do.
Let's do it.
Cell A314, solitary.
Don't keep me waiting too long, okay?
I can stay. I'm not afraid. But Jin, I worry for her.
Shit, this might be the safest goddamn place on the
You
island.
wanna buy something decent? I'm the guy to deal with.
Stat, listen here, bro. I need a fix, right? Drugs. You know what I'm saying? And that fucking dealer is hiding out in his cell, and he has everything in there. I need some now, bro. Whatever you can fucking find.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay then. Cell 19. His stash is in there somewhere. He should be there too. Alive, dead, that, I don't know.
Have you seen those two bitches? They both look like they're asking for it.
Those things ain't the biggest problem in here, I hope you know. You ever heard of the Butcher of Banoi? No? There's a lot of sick-ass psycho killers in this hole. But there's one moke nobody fucks with. His brother took a machete, chopped up his whole fucking family when he was 9, man. That crazy asshole's running free and he scares everybody. Gangsters, rascals, terrorists, hitmen for the Russian fucking mafia. They're all pissing in their pants. You take that fucker out and you're gonna make a lot of friends around here.
Uh-huh.
Okay then. You're crazier than you look. Don't know where you went, but if I was you, I'd follow the dead bodies. The ones that aren't walking, I mean.
Those bitches you came in here with are hard as hell. It's too bad Titus set the rules limits.
Finally drove back.
If you have the balls, friends, you might just end up with one hell of a weapon. Now you're fucked, friend. You ain't getting in till you clear out those three.
You got to save this nosy bitch, brothers. You too late. She gonna make a nice fucking supper. You should see the looks on your faces, friends. You think I'm fucking crazy, don't you? But it's the world that's fucking crazy. Not me. I'm just fucking hungry.
Andrew, right here! Kill those. All right then. Let's open it up. You bloody made? Shit. Just must have met.
Whew. Yeah, I heard. Good work, brothers. Now we just gotta deal with those brain-dead zombie motherfuckers. Gotcha!
Who the fuck are you?
Watch your back. There's a lot of those undead motherfuckers.
Want to help us at all. He's just worried about his own crew.
Hey, you wanna buy something decent? I'm the guy to deal with.
Thank you, true brothers. I owe ya.
You gained some respect here today. He don't want to help us at all. He's just worried about his own.
Titus saying, you motherfuckers? You need to unlock doors. Go to the control room and figure it the fuck out.
Fuck you up!
Okay, let's go. And if some of those freaks come running, you know what to do. Let's keep going, huh?
God damn! That bitch was huge!
Shit, that's a better take him down before some of his friends show up. Even when he's fucking human.
He don't want to help us at all. He's just worried about his own crew.
Good to see you back, brothers.
Going.
I'm starving, huh? And I need a motherfucking smoke, huh?
So you want to get to Block C? I can let you pass, brothers. But first, you gotta do something for me. First off, I need more firepower from my boys, so they ain't so fucking afraid of those things. What you brought ain't gonna do. We need you to get more. Upstairs, there's an armory, but it's crawling with those walking corpses.
Yep.
Bring back as many of those weapons and all the ammo you can carry. My boys will show you the way. I'll wait here with Moen and the ladies. Don't worry now. They'll be safe with us. Unless you try and fuck me.
Go!
I don't want to stay here with them. I want to go with you.
Everything's still all right.
He's coming. He's on his way. Titus says we all...
Show yourself, you bloody wanker! Titus wanted me to help you out. I'm Kevin. Titus thought I could be of some help. I've unlocked a few doors in my day, you know? But there's nothing I can do here. This lock's tamper-proof, man. And I need the master key. Only the senior guards have those. So get the master key, or you ain't getting in. Got it?
Aye.
All right, the senior guard should have the key. When all hell broke loose, he hid out in his office with 3 of his thugs. The office is down that corridor. I'll stay here and fiddle with this fucker.